In this video, I'll show you how to add online booking in Wix. First, sign in to your Wix account and open the website where you want to accept online bookings. From your dashboard, go to Apps and install Wix Bookings if it isn't already part of your site. Next, open the booking section from your dashboard and complete the initial setup. Add your business information, choose your time zone, and set your working hours. After that, click Services and create the services your customers can book. Enter the service name, duration, pricing, availability, and any additional details. You can also assign staff members if your business has multiple providers. Now, configure your booking settings by choosing how customers can schedule appointments, setting your cancellation policy, and connecting a payment method if you want to accept online payments. Finally, preview your booking page and complete a test booking to make sure everything is working correctly. Once you're satisfied with the setup, publish your website so customers can start booking appointments online. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add online booking in Wix. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.